Hi, welcome to this 24/7 Security Inc. tutorial for DVR Viewer Pro 2, real-time map and video. A previous tutorial video reviews how to download, install, and connect to the TD Cloud server, so we're going to go ahead and get started. You can access any of your buses that have activated the live GPS and video. Click My Fleet, and a list of active buses will display with their current connection status. Driving means that the bus is on the road and connected. NA means that the bus may be parked and not operating today. The other columns are self-explanatory. DVR status will either say good or NA. 4G/LTE will either be on or off. It's possible that the DVR can show good but hasn't been activated for live map or video. From here, simple enough. You choose which bus you want to view and either click Map View or Live View. Map View will open a window with the bus's live location. And like other online maps, you can zoom, move around, and choose different overlays. Clicking Live View opens a dialog asking you which two cameras you would like to see. Choose the cameras from the drop-downs and select Start Stream. The cameras you chose will open up in DVP2. DVP2 will show you the two camera streams that you selected. To close the stream, click View/Playback and select Disconnect. That's it for this session. Don't forget that DVP2 has all of the features of DVR Viewer Pro. Check out pro.247securityinc.com for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.